Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to check if your computer has been targeted by the ShadowHammer Cyberattack. This horrible bit of malware will get installed onto your computer using the ASUS Live Update Utility tool. It will basically inject a backdoor onto your machine. To check if you have this on your computer, all you need to do is head on over to the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and open up the start menu. And you need to type in CMD and we need to open up command prompt. Once command prompt is open, you now need to type in ipconfig and then we need to go /all and hit enter. You now need to scroll up until you find your network card and then the physical address. As you can see, there's my network card, which is the Ethernet adapter, and then we got my physical address there. I now need to type in that number into this little box here, which I'm going to go ahead and do now. Once you have typed in your MAC address, you now need to click on check now. And as you can see, it says here, your device has not been targeted by ShadowHammer attack, which means my computer is perfectly safe. But if you have been targeted, then we can now run Malwarebytes and fingers crossed this will remove ShadowHammer attack from your machine. You now need to click on the second link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. You now need to go to the top right hand corner and click free download. And you now need to go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, you then need to run this setup file. You now need to press OK. And we now need to click on personal computer unless you're using a work computer. And you need to go continue. You now need to click on agree and install. And it will begin to install Malwarebytes onto your machine. Once Malwarebytes has finished installing, you now need to press finish. You now need to go down to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and click the up arrow and just double click on Malwarebytes. And I'm going to click on I don't need real-time protection because I don't want the premium and press OK. Right, once that has all finished, you now need to press on scan now and this will do a full scan on your machine and with any luck it will hopefully find the bit of malware on your machine. And also if you do have any other malware on your machine, this is the best program to detect that. And as you can see, Malwarebytes has not found any threats on my machine. But if it has found threats on your machine, you then need to go through the next few steps of basically removing those threats. And once you have done that, you then need to restart your computer. And once your computer has restarted, you then need to click on the link that's in the description below again, and then just go through the steps again of typing in your MAC address and making sure ShadowHammer has been removed from your machine. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.